You address him as congressman. As we mentioned, Beto O'Rourke cruised into a second term as El Paso's representative in Washington. Here are the numbers once again as Congressman O'Rourke defeats his Republican challenger, Corey Rowan, and Libertarian Jaime O. Perez. ABC 7's Maria Garcia is live in downtown El Paso with a newly re-elected congressman. Maria?
We're here with Congressman Beto O'Rourke in downtown El Paso at Blackbird Cantina next to the ballpark. Congressman, Republicans have taken Congress this midterm election. You've tried to banish the idea that the border is not safe, but with the border being a very politicized issue, Republicans focusing on border security, does this erode your ability to pass meaningful legislation related to the border?
I don't think so. I think it's in our interest to help educate the other members of Congress about what the border has to offer. The fact that El Paso's the safest city in America today, that we're connected to 6 million jobs that are dependent upon international trade between the U.S. and Mexico. Those are all great positives for El Paso, and I don't know that the rest of Congress fully understands that yet. So we're going to continue our efforts to work with them. I think most members are reasonable people. They want to do the right thing when they have the right information. We're going to be a critical part of getting them that information.
We didn't see a unified national message from the Democrats this election season. The president unpopular, not going on the campaign trail across America. Does this make the Democratic agenda even weaker going forward?
I don't know. In talking to most folks in El Paso, they're not really concerned with the Democratic agenda or Republican agenda or what the president's doing. They want to see us advance El Paso's agenda. So better care for veterans in this community, supporting soldiers, families, and the missions at Fort Bliss, and capitalizing on the amazing things happening on the border. The $90 billion in U.S.-Mexico trade passing through our ports, the jobs that are connected to that, the economic growth that can be a part of that. So I don't know if those are Republican or Democratic issues, but we're going to work on them.
Okay, thank you, Congressman O'Rourke and his wife, Amy. We appreciate that. We're live in downtown El Paso. Maria Garcia, ABC 7.
All right, and again, Congressman O'Rourke will have to deal with a Republican majority in both houses of Congress. Thank you very much, Maria. And to the